Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you on how to pay taxes online to the IRS so you can complete your payment quickly and safely. First, go to the official IRS website and open the payment section. Next, choose your payment method, such as direct pay, debit card, credit card, or electronic funds withdrawal. After that, select the tax reason, like balance due or estimated tax payment. You will then need to enter your personal details, including Social Security number, filing status, and tax year. Next, carefully enter your payment amount and confirm the information is correct. If you are using direct pay, link your bank account securely for transfer. You can also schedule payments in advance if needed. After reviewing everything, submit your payment and save the confirmation number for your records. Finally, wait for IRS confirmation and your taxes will be paid successfully online. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.